Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. I think I mentioned it in my last video, but yeah, this year is quite different, but I do definitely still plan on celebrating all the upcoming holidays. I don't know if I'm the only one. I hope not. If I'm not, let me know. But I actually started listening to Christmas music like ages ago. I think I must have started in August, even earlier. And I definitely plan on celebrating Halloween as well, and that's why I'm coming back at you guys with another Halloween look. So if you want to see me transform from this to this, then stay tuned and watch this tutorial. If you guys have no idea who I am, let me put on the whole effect and I'll give you some hints. Does it ring a bell? No, I am not a secret agent. And yes, this may or may not be straws. Do not zoom in on it. But I'm Holly Golightly from Breakfast at Tiffany's. Let me give you another hint. Moon River, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Okay, I'll stop singing. I hope I didn't make anyone's ears bleed. I guess doing covers in future videos is out of the question. But anyways, I am Holly Golightly from Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I decided to do my own interpretation of the look and throw in a graphic liner. And yeah, I am actually such a big Audrey Hepburn fan, so I really hope I did do her look some justice. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this look. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime the face, which I have already done so. If you want to know the products, they're always in the description box below, and you want to see the process, go ahead and check out a previous video. And next, I'm going to start priming the eyes, which I think is super important for a lot of these Halloween looks because they're really heavy on the eye makeup. So you just want to make sure everything that you're doing stays intact. So I primed my eyes, and now I'm going to be using, surprise, surprise, a very familiar palette, the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. The funny thing about this is that I actually was really on the fence about buying this palette. I had read so many negative reviews about the palette, so I was like pretty much against buying it, but I am such a bargain hunter that this was actually heavily discounted, and that kind of prompted me to, take the plunge and buy it. But I've actually used it so much, so it just goes to show sometimes what one person says or what online reviews say do not necessarily translate into how something's going to work for you. So just something to keep in mind. So I'm going to apply this foundational base color of cake batter all over the lids. Go in with both Guilt Free and Smoked Sea Salt and just start shading into this extended V shape. Yeah, it's fine to go ham because it's Halloween. Then I'm going to bring some of the color to the lower lash line as well, because I want this look to be quite dramatic and smoky. Okay, and then I'm going to take my angled brush and go in with Smoked Sea Salt and just draw this extended cat wing, and then I'm also going to trace over it with black sugar. Okay, that looks about good. I'm now going to take my Pretty Easy liquid lining pen in Clinique, and this time I'm going to kind of follow this extended cat wing, and I'm going to kind of swoop it upwards a bit and do like this really cool geometric shape graphic liner look that I have in my mind, but sometimes what I'm thinking does not really translate into what it will look like. But let's see, let's just see how it works out. Whew. Okay guys, I finished doing this graphic liner design. I didn't realize that by doing or trying to do this graphic liner trend, I kind of had to flex some artistic muscles that I don't really have. But yeah, essentially you're like drawing shapes with your eyeliner. But anyways, so this is what it looks like for now. What I'm going to do is first pop on some false lashes. And then I'm going to decide if I want to, I'm probably going to add some highlight, some sparkle. I'm not really sure if I want to make this into a cut crease type look yet, so let's just go with the flow and see what happens. So I'm going to be using my Revlon Beyond Natural lashes, and I'm kind of feeling like Falsies Pro right now, but I don't know, maybe today's experience will kind of take my confidence down a notch. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I plopped them on. I feel like I'm definitely getting a lot better at plopping them on. I can do it in one try, whereas before I could just never plop them on. But I feel like where I really struggle, or where there's room for improvement, is like mastering the glue ratio. I feel like I always have like way too much glue, have to fix it, but one step at a time. So I'm actually going to take my colored eye pencil, the 24/7 Urban Decay pencil in Stash, and then just line my bottom lash line to create more definition. And then I think I'm going to add some pops of shimmer and glitter. So I'm going to take my Stila Shimmer and Glow in Kitten and just kind of like add some to like the inner corners, and then add some glitter to the inner corner area. You'll see what I mean. I feel like I kind of butchered that explanation. I'm going to add some glitter because, I like my glitter. So I'm going to take my Oh My Stars Stila, and then I'm going to take this silver glitter liquid eyeshadow and just kind of apply some over this highlight I just applied, and then a little bit to the bottom. I'm also going to be applying mascara to my lower lash line. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. So I'm going to be using my Perfect Flush blush, and again, I'm kind of going to go ham with it because it's Halloween. And then I am going to apply my highlighter. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlight. Go over that with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette with the eyeshadow of Drippin' Diamonds, just to add some additional sparkle, you know, it's Halloween. For the lips, just because I feel like the eyes are kind of dramatic with the whole graphic liner and whatnot and smoky eye, so I'm just going to use my Lancome Color Design lipstick in Oh My Shimmer, which is like this really pretty bronze shade, which apparently I'm running low on.